Hi and welcome back to South Honda Repair. Alright, today we have a Sony wm-ex10 Walkman. Now this is basic as you can get, so no radio, no auto reverse function, nothing, and obviously it's not gonna work because it's made in 1992, which was a long time ago. Alright, so let's take a closer look. Under the flashlight you can see three little holes. You get a flat-headed screwdriver, you push them, and basically it's pop out three clips which is holding the back, and after you using any plastic opener to get inside and get apart. Now once you open one clip, obviously the other two try to close it, so try to use these openers to keep the side open, and you will be successful. Don't worry, this is a very tough model. I don't think you can break it, but yeah, unless you really wanted to, so it's really a tough model. Alright, what can we tell about this one? It's working with 2 AA battery. It's run for 8 hours, which to be honest not much, but you know, it's okay. Really basic model. Yep, you can add a clip and you can put in your belt or your trousers. Yeah, basically that's it. And it has silver buttons. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so once you manage to open it, which is take a long time, this one doesn't give up easily, isn't it? We will see we have the usual belt replacement issue. Basically, you press the button, the tape is not moving, there is the old belt. This one is at least not moving, it's just big. Also, it's a little bit dirty inside. It was some white grease on the black gears, which probably dried out around 15 years ago, and now it's yeah, that's not grease anymore, isn't it? So what we're gonna do, just the usual, we're using isopropyl alcohol, Q-tips, toothbrush. We clean it up nicely, and when it's done, we're gonna use some grease to grease it up and make it smooth again. We're gonna replace the belt, and on all the switch and the volume control and the headphone jack connection, we're gonna use the Dioset D100, just one drop, which gonna be making clean the contacts, and it's gonna be working again. Alright, stay with me, I turn on the music and just enjoy. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe, like, comment, whatever. If you had this Walkman, please leave a comment. If not, I can understand. Alright, take care. Bye bye.